Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we are reviewing and installing the OnePlus 9 Pro ported Dolby Atmos on any rooted Android phone. Before we start, ensure you have an ARM64 device running Android 11 or higher with HIDL audio service. You need root access via Magisk, Kitsune Mask, Kernel SU, or Apache. I highly recommend Magisk Delta, also known as Kitsune Mask, for its systemless early Init mount. This is critical to avoid boot loops or service failures if your ROM is read-only. All download links are in the description. You will need the Dolby Atmos port zip. Crucially, if you are not using an OPlus ROM like OxygenOS or ColorOS, you must also download the OPlus Core Magisk Module. This core module is mandatory for the port to work on AOSP or custom ROMs. Let's get to the installation. Kernel users go to Settings, disable Unmount Modules by default, and install Meta Overlay FS first. For everyone else, go to your Module Manager. If you are on a non-OPlus ROM, flash the OPlus Core module first. Next, flash the Dolby module. Now, a major disclaimer. If you use any other audio modules, you must install the Audio Modification Library, or AML, after rebooting. It works for me without it because I have a clean setup, but you will likely need it to prevent conflicts. With the files flashed, tap Reboot. The system needs to initialize the new drivers and the OPlus framework, so this boot might be slightly slower than normal. Just be patient. If you use Kitsune Mask as recommended for read-only systems, you will boot up safely without any soft brick issues. We're back. Let's unlock and check the root manager. Heading into the Modules tab, you can see the OPlus Core and the Dolby Atmos port are active. Now let's check the app drawer. There it is, the OnePlus 9 Pro Dolby app. You might see a duplicate if you had an old version, but this is the fresh port we just installed. Opening the app, you get the full OnePlus experience. You have distinct environment profiles like movie, music, and gaming to widen the soundstage. You also get the scene-specific Equalizer. This allows you to manually tweak frequencies, offering much punchier bass and clearer vocals compared to standard stock audio. That is the complete guide to getting OnePlus 9 Pro Dolby Atmos on your phone. If you have issues, remember to try the AML module. All links are below.